Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing how to protect your skin from the harmful effects of the sun. Whether you're spending time outdoors, going on a vacation, or simply running errands, it's important to take steps to protect your skin. Here are some tips and tricks that you can follow to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Tip 1. Wear protective clothing. The first step to protect your skin from the sun is to wear protective clothing. Choose clothing that covers your arms and legs, and wear a wide-brimmed hat to shade your face and neck. Dark colors and tightly woven fabrics provide the most protection. Tip 2. Use sunscreen. Applying sunscreen is an essential step in protecting your skin from the sun. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to all exposed skin, including your face, neck, and ears. Reapply every 2 hours or more frequently if you're swimming or sweating. Tip 3. Seek shade. Try to avoid direct sunlight during peak hours, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., when the sun's rays are the strongest. Seek shade under trees, umbrellas, or canopies. Tip 4. Wear sunglasses. Protect your eyes from UV radiation by wearing sunglasses with UV protection. This will also help prevent wrinkles around the eyes. Tip 5. Be aware of reflective surfaces. Water, sand, and concrete can reflect sunlight and increase your exposure to UV rays. Take extra precautions when you are near these surfaces. Tip 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin hydrated and healthy, which can help prevent sun damage. Tip 7. Be cautious with medications. Some medications, such as antibiotics and birth control pills, can increase your sensitivity to the sun. Be aware of the risks and take extra precautions if you're taking these medications. Tip 8. Use a moisturizer. Sun exposure can dry out your skin and make it more susceptible to damage. Use a moisturizer with SPF to protect your skin and keep it hydrated. Protecting your skin from the sun is essential to maintain healthy skin. Follow these tips and make sun protection a part of your daily routine. Don't forget to check your skin regularly for signs of skin damage and consult a dermatologist if you have concerns. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found these tips helpful.